Overview. In this experience, you will learn new Portuguese words and how to use them in sentences. The lesson is made up of 4 sections. Listen and take note of words. Say the words and repeat. Learn basic sentences. Do a quiz on what you have learned. In this section, listen to the audio clip. Take note of words related to what you hear or feel or imagine. These can be in English. For example, I can hear a leaf rustling. The word is leaf. Do you hear a bird or birds? The word is bird. And someone walking? The word is walk. Now it is your turn. Take note of words. Use your senses and imagination. How many words did you get? These are the words that we got. And in Portuguese? Now let's practice the pronunciation of our words. Bird.
Pássaro.
Leaf.
Folha.
Grass.
Grama.
Fly.
Mosca.
Water.
Água.
Walk.
Andar.
Rain.
Chuva.
Run.
Correr.
Lightning.
Relâmpago.
Thunder.
Trovão.
Wind.
Vento.
Knock.
Bater.
Door.
Porta.
Now let's use these words in sentences.
The bird flies.
O pássaro voa. O pássaro voa.
The leaf falls.
A folha sussurra. A folha sussurra.
The green grass.
A grama verde. A grama verde.
There is a fly on the food.
Tem uma mosca na comida. Tem uma mosca na comida.
Drink a glass of water.
Beber um copo de água. Beber um copo de água.
Walk on the path.
Andar no caminho. Andar no caminho.
Singing in the rain.
Cantando na chuva. Cantando na chuva.
Run in a race.
Corra em uma corrida. Corra em uma corrida.
The lightning is bright.
O relâmpago é brilhante. O relâmpago é brilhante.
The thunder is loud.
O trovão é alto. O trovão é alto.
The wind blows.
O vento sopra. O vento sopra.
Knock on the door.
Bata na porta. Bata na porta.
Do you remember the words? What about the sentences? Let's do a fun quiz. Say the word related to the picture. Can you complete the sentence? Next steps. Translate your words if you haven't already. Perhaps you can use them in basic sentences? Add your work to the comments. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more episodes and other types of language training videos. Watch some of our shorts to learn more words.